Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this NightLight. It's one of our product we call NightLight module, and there are 8 WS2812 RGB light on board, and all of the RGB light will be controlled by I2C protocol with your Raspberry Pi. And today I'm going to show you how to assemble it and how to configure it, how to turn on the light and change the color or something else. Okay, at the very beginning you have to remove the protect film on the acrylic case and put them like this. Alright, and then use this M2.5 screws through the hole and fixed it with a copper stick. Okay, and then put it on your Raspberry Pi like this. Okay, and if you want to fix it, you can use another screws to fix this. I'm just doing some tutorial, so I don't want to fix this for it will stable. Okay, and then remove the protect film on the acrylic shield. You can put it here like this. It's stable. Okay, and we provided 2 blank acrylic plate. You can draw your picture on this plate with laser cut, or just use your knife or a screwdriver. You can draw down some picture on this plastic acrylic plate. Okay, I just put all of these into the slot. Okay, it's stable. And then use your power supply to turn on the Raspberry Pi. Okay, and the next step, we will connect our Raspberry Pi via SSH. We call the secure shell from my laptop. Okay, next let's connect to our Raspberry Pi by using this IP address. I use PuTTY to connect to my Raspberry Pi via SSH. So in PuTTY software, I input my IP address and select SSH select 22 for my SSH port and open the terminal. Input my login user pi and my password. You can see that I have already logged on to my Raspberry Pi. And at the very beginning, you can use I2C detect -y and 1 to detect which chip is recognized by your Raspberry Pi on board. And I find there is a 15 register address is my Raspberry my NightLight. Okay, and others maybe another devices on my Raspberry Pi. Okay, we can test it by using I2C set -1 -y. 1 means one bus, okay, bus 1. And 0x15 means the register on chip of this board. And 0x01 means the first LED, and in red color. You can find out the register map on our wiki set. Okay, this is RGB light, so which there are 3 colors in each light. So from 1 to and you can see that 0xFF means give the LED 100% brightness, and if you want to turn off the LED, just use 0. Okay, and if you want to make a dim LED, I turn on second line. 0x02 means the first light, RGB light, second channel. So if I press enter, it will be show you this color, because you can see that there is a green channel will be enabled, and then you can use this 0x03 means blue channel. You can turn on the blue light. Okay, this is all in the first light. Okay, we turn on the first light, and also you can turn on 4, turn on the second light. Okay, 5, alright. And also you can just use the gate. And next time you can just clone our demo code from GitHub by this link, geekpi/DockerPi on GitHub. Okay. Oops, I have already downloaded the DockerPi's code, so let's remove it and try again. Okay, once you download the DockerPi's code, you can navigate to this directory and then change directory to NightLight. There are 4 daemon code for your different application. One of these is Shell, C language, and Python script, and one of them is used for Arduino. You can just change mode plus X means add a execute permission to NightLight SH and run the, and then you will see that the LED light will be turned on individually. Okay, and you can also use Python, it's the same. Okay, and the C code must be compiled before you execute the code. So I use GCC -o nightlight.c, and don't forget to link the DockerPi library. Okay, when it's ready, you will see that C code means you can use your button to change the color of the LED. Once you press the button, the LED will okay. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching and hope you like it. Bye bye.